trailer launch of film Shaadi Ke Side Effects took place in Mumbai. The star cast of the film, Farhan Akhtar and Vidya Balan, were present there.
बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि सारे लोग जानते हैं कि विद्या इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड एक्टर. तो आई हैव हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम वर्किंग विथ हर बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज look to work with people who are good at what they do. She's also paid me to say all this. So, am I doing good so far? Okay. All right. So, yeah, she was amazing.
We'll talk.
No, it was an amazing time. Thank you. As an actor or as a director, when you go on to set, you want to be working with people who are good at what they do, who are hungry about their work, you know, who are also willing to listen and to learn along with you, because everyone is learning on the job. So, on that level, she's a very strong performer. She has a great understanding of what she needs to do in a film. And when you're working with somebody like that, you take a lot from them. And that helps you to perform better as well, you know, because you're constantly being challenged. So that's how I felt working with her. And it was a truly enjoyable experience.
It says Mr. Oh, Miss Always Right, Mr. Always Right. Okay. It was wonderful working with Farhan. I must say that, of course, I knew his work. I'd watched his films and all of that. But I was very happy I watched Bhag Milkha after our shoot was over. Because I couldn't have gone back on set after having watched that film. I couldn't have performed with him after that film. But
knowing that's under the shirt. Really, really.
No, it was fabulous. And what I enjoy most about him is that he's a fellow Capricornian. And we have many Capricornians in this film, Mr. Nandi. Yeah.
The music, I think music is fantastic.
Superb. It's fantastic music. It has a blend of all romantic songs and the dance tracks. So it's really good. I'm looking forward to it.
Not to sound too academic about things, you know, but you draw everything from the script. And then you draw it from the atmosphere and environment that's created on set. And you want to feel good about every scene that you're doing. So there's a certain discussion that happens before. You don't want to really over-rehearse comedy because that can really take away from being in the moment. But it really is. It's a very smartly written script and a very wittily written, or the dialogues are very, very witty. So, I mean, just kudos to the writers and to Saket for it.
And I must add here that I'm amazed by his timing. On set, there were times when obviously I'd start laughing at the most inappropriate time, much to, you know, Saket's.
Yeah, we'd break for lunch and come back and she'd still be sitting and laughing.
That's
like,
credit
you
or
want us to come back in a
discredit.
couple of hours? I'll just go have a
Credit
meeting
for that
in
goes
Santa
to
Cruz.
Farhan. यही है शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स एंड आई थिंक इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन.
यही प्रॉब्लम मुझे सीधे सीधे जवाब नहीं देते कभी. नोटिस क्या?
इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन ऑल द टाइम. शादी के बाद वही होता है, आप हमेशा जीतते हैं. हम हमेशा जीतते हैं. सही कहा आपने, अच्छे बुरे सब साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं, पर I don't know what tip to give you. मैं खुद experience कर रही हूँ फिलहाल, तो it's very early for me to give anyone any tips. Just I think be yourself, because women end up losing themselves in a marriage. और ये कभी होना नहीं चाहिए.
I spent many more years than Vidya in a marriage, and I can tell you I'm as flummoxed as she is, as confused even now.
पहले यही लगता है कि you know क्या होगा शादी के बाद. You keep wondering, you keep hoping कि कभी मेरी शादी हो. और शादी के बाद लगता है कि मैंने जल्दी तो नहीं कर दी.
पहले के इफेक्ट्स हैं कि I'm learning from Vidya, you know. She just got married and she tells me that it's a good thing. So maybe after 5 years, if she yet believes that, I'll get into it. Vidya, teach me some 3 things. She will just.
I'll tell you what the three things are. Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. I've got one piece of advice, which is something that I learned from this film. There's a wonderful mantra that Saket and the writers have put, which I completely agree with. वो ये है कि जब मैं गलती करता हूँ अपनी शादी में तो मैं सॉरी कहता हूँ और जब मेरी बीवी गलती करती है तब भी मैं ही सॉरी कहता हूँ. So I think that's a very very good mantra.
I like
this.
this.
To ensure a long and fruitful
मैं
happy
कुछ कहूँ?
relationship for all concerned.
मैं कुछ कहूँ? गलती का एहसास होना बहुत जरूरी है. And here you get 100 marks.
I'm sorry.